Hi, second graders. I'm going to teach you how to begin our online searching activity. Today, you're going to go ahead and click under the title Online Searching in Google Classroom and find the assignment called Keyword Search Web Quest. Make sure once you click on that you click on View Assignment. Over here on the right will be the file that you need to open. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you will see a list of questions. So like I told you last time, you guys are going to be a detective, and I have given you a question, and in order to find the answer, you have to use Google. And in our movie that we watched last week, you learned that you have to use what are called keywords to search for your answers. So today I'm going to have us take a look at the first question, and I'm going to go over how to do the first question with you. And then once this video is done, I'm going to turn you loose and you're going to do question 1 by yourself. And you will have already seen me do it, so you should be able to do it all by yourself. If there is time, you will then go on and try question 2 on your own. I will be back next time and we will continue to finish this when I return. To begin, you need to take a look at the question. So question 1 says, what is the current temperature in Napoleon, Ohio right now? We would not want to take this entire question and put it into Google to find the answer. It would be way too much. So what we want to do is find the most important words and use them as our keywords. So when I look at this, I feel that temperature is the main question or the main keyword that we should use. So if I click on temperature and then double click on it, I can go up to my highlighter button, which is right next to the letter A, and I can pick to highlight that. And you can pick whatever color you want. Just make sure you're using the highlighter. And then I'm going to come over and do the same thing to my other keywords. So we want to know the temperature, but where at? In Napoleon, Ohio. So I'm going to click on Napoleon and then double click. Use my highlighter. I'm going to use the same color. And again, click on Ohio, double click. Now I have my 3 keywords selected. Now, some of these questions may require you to only have 2 keywords. Others may have you choose 4 keywords. So you need to look at the sentence or the question and highlight the keywords. That's step 1. Step 2 is you're going to grab a new screen with the plus sign up here. And you're going to use your speaker button here, and you'll click on this and say, temperature, Napoleon, Ohio. Notice that it put those 3 words up here in my search, and now I'm starting to see the results. So if I scroll down here, you can see there's several websites. Now some of mine are purple because I've already clicked on them today, but yours will all be blue. And these are the sites that came up based on those keywords you typed in. So this was found because this website is titled Napoleon, Ohio, and further down it talked about weather. And this one too said Napoleon, Ohio, and it talked about weather, but nowhere does it say temperature. Okay, so a lot of times the words we put in may not come up, but they find a word that's related to it. So when I think of weather, weather tells me like if it's raining or snowing or sunny or cloudy, but also if it's what temperature it is. So that's why we are getting some of these weather-related websites. So we have a temperature given to us here, but we don't want to just trust that as the answer. So we can go ahead and fact check by looking at other websites. So here we have weather.com, and we take a look at that website. We'll see if it says. Now this one says it's 27 degrees outside right now. So if I hit my back arrow, I go back then to my search. Let's take a look at the wunderground.com, and let's see what that one says. This one says that it's 26 degrees, just like what Google said there at the top. And I'm going to check just one more by hitting my back arrow. Again, scrolling down, and I'm going to check AccuWeather. And AccuWeather's temperature right now says that it is 27 degrees. All right, so we had 2 at 26, I think 1 at 27. So you're going to come back to your questions. You're going to click under, and you're going to go ahead and type in your answer. So I would accept either 26 or 27 and then put the word degrees behind it. And now I have completed the first question. Okay, detectives, it is now your turn. You need to look at our next question. Go ahead and click and then double click on the words that are your keywords. Use your highlighter. All right, what color you pick is your choice, but make sure you use the same color on the entire question. And when you're done, you'll go back up here and you'll go ahead and we'll clean that out, and you can use your, you can grab a new tab too, sorry. You can go ahead and use your speaker, your little microphone there, to say your keywords and look for your answer. All right, so see if you can try to do number 1 and number 2, and when I return, I will have you work with me to finish the rest. Thanks, guys. Good luck on your searching.